The Tecno Pova 8 Pro 5G is Tecno's latest performance-focused smartphone, designed for users who want flagship-style gaming features, a premium display, and long-lasting battery life at a competitive price. It features a stunning 6.78-inch 1.5K Hyperlux AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, delivering incredibly smooth visuals and vibrant colors for gaming and entertainment. Powering the device is the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultimate 5G chipset, paired with up to 24 GB of dynamic RAM and 512 GB of storage for fast multitasking and excellent gaming performance. The phone also includes a 50MP Sony Lisha OIS main camera, an advanced Tecno P1 graphics chip for up to 144 FPS gaming, IP69, rated water and dust resistance, Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, and a large 6,500 mAh battery with 45W supercharge support. Following its recent global debut, the Tecno Pova 8 Pro 5G is expected to expand to additional markets over the coming months.